लोग बात करते हैं बैलेंस शीट की और मैं आपसे कहूं कि बैलेंस शीट इज ऑफ नो यूज। आई एम टेलिंग यू, बैलेंस शीट इज अ हिस्ट्री। लुकिंग एट द बैलेंस शीट इज ओनली डूइंग पोस्टमार्टम। एंड लेट मी शेयर इट विद यू। पूरी दुनिया में, in the whole world, the chairmen, CEO, CFOs, managing directors, executive directors, whole time directors don't look at the balance sheet. They look at the balance sheet only once in a year. And when they look at the balance sheet once in a year, they look at the balance sheet once in a year when the accounts of the company are to be signed. So you can understand that is the significance of the balance sheet. You and I need to understand what is balance sheet. That is fine, but remember, balance sheet is not of much consequence. Balance sheet is not something that will help you in taking decision. Balance sheet is post-mortem. So balance sheet, nobody pays attention as far as the operations are concerned. Where do you place focus as the owner of the business, as the CEO of the business? Your focus, my focus, firstly will be on the profit and loss. And profit and loss, friends, you and I have to see every day, every day, every day. And I would very strongly recommend to every one of you, make it a practice. Make it a practice. Put a system in place in your company where you are able to see profitability of your business on daily basis. No point in seeing it at the end of the month. Because if you are looking at the profitability at the end of the month, it is a postmortem. महीना तो निकल गया, जो झटका फटका लगना था वो तो लग गया, उसको रिवर्स नहीं कर सकते। अगर उसको रिवर्स करना है तो आपको क्या करना होगा? आपको प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस को रोजाना देखना होगा। जब आप रोजाना देखेंगे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस को, तो करेक्टिव मेजर्स जो भी चाहिए वो आप वहीं के वहीं कर पाएंगे। सो रिमेंबर, बैलेंस शीट इज ऑफ नो यूज. Balance sheet is of no consequence whatsoever. Balance sheet is theory. Balance sheet is history. What is of consequence is the profit and loss. And what is even more consequence is the cash flow statement. And remember, as the owner of the business, as the CEO of the business, your focus, my focus has to be on the cash flow. अब देखो, जैसा मैंने आपसे कहा कि जो एग्जाम्पल दिया कि मिस्टर मित्तल के पास अगर कोई जाए और जाके बोले कि हमने 10 बिलियन का प्रॉफिट किया है, मिस्टर मित्तल विल से डोंट टेल मी दैट, टेल मी हाउ मच इज द कैश प्रॉफिट. एंड रिमेंबर, you and I also need to do the same thing. And that information will come from where? That information will come from the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement क्या बताता है हमको? अब समझ के लीजिए, बहुत सिंपल है. कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट हमको बताता है कि हमारे बिजनेस में कहाँ से पैसा आ रहा है और कहाँ पैसा जा रहा है. So where the money is coming from and where the money going to.